Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and learn about octopus. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Subscribe for a new art class each week. Let's get started. Go get your supplies. You're going to need a black marker or a pen, a piece of paper, and some colors. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there is a free tracing guide available on my website. Click the link below to download. All right, let's draw.
Okay, we're going to draw the head and the eyes. So let's first start with the eyes. Octopus have bulbous heads and big eyes. So let's draw the one eye, and then we're going to do kind of a balloon around this head. Okay, and the other eye is going to be now the tentacles, you can do however you want. We need to do 8. They're going to be squiggly lines. So you can have them kind of going whichever way you want. Over and under.
Did you know that octopus can live 3 to 5 years?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do some right here. 7. And 8. And we're gonna go ahead and do those same circles that we did on the crab. And then I like to add a little smile to everything. Because why not? And let's do our eye. And color them. You can color them now. You can color them later.
Did you know that octopus have 3 hearts?
I'm just going to draw a bunch of little circles. You don't have to be in the same place on each tentacle, and you don't have to count them. You're just kind of drawing them wherever you would like them to go. Any size.
Did you know that octopus squirt ink to deter their predators? Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color your octopus. Did you know that octopus can camouflage? Camouflage means that they can change color so that they can match their surroundings to hide from a predator. Do you see the one behind me? Did you know that octopus are boneless and they can squeeze in and out of tight places? Did you know that octopus tentacles have over 2,000 suction cups? Did you know that octopus have blue blood? Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this week's art class, make sure you check out the last episode here. And I need your help. I need to come up with a name for the character we drew today. Head on over to Instagram, follow me, let me know your name ideas, upload a picture of your artwork, tag Fitz Art Clips for a chance to be featured artist every Friday, and let me know if there's something that you want to draw and learn more about. I cannot wait to see what you create. I'll see you next time.